Where does the D go? Where does the X go? Very good. Where does the N go? Good job. How about the Z? Don't get anxious about the next letter. It's okay. You put it in. Very good. How about the F? Where does the F go? Good job. How about C? Wow, that was quick. How about K? Where does K go? How about W? Where does the E go? E? Where does E go? Good job. P? Q? Where does Q go? You gotta put them in place, baby. How about S? Good job. O? How about H? Where does the H go? How about B? Where does the B go? A? Good job. How about the Y? R? U? T? Good job, baby. How about the J? J? Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. Silly, hey, look. You're so eager to get to the next letter, you didn't put it in right. How does that go? It doesn't go like that. Now you can have the next letter. I. And G. Where does the G go? Good job, dude. You did it. There's no more letters. I know. The rest are for your other puzzle pieces. Go ahead. Where does the horse go? Where does he go? Show me where the horse goes. Good job. How about the bunny? How about the doggy? Where does doggy go? Good job. And the kitty? Where does kitty go? And we have more blocks. Oh, where does the poodle go? Good job, you did it. Yay, Hendrix. Yay. Now if we could find the other pieces to these puzzles.